Hello friends, welcome to another video in which we will learn how to create this spray text effect in Photoshop. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. Import your background which you want. Now select the text tool and type your text. You can choose any of the fonts. Press Ctrl or Command A, bring the text to the center. Then press Ctrl or Command D. Now right click and convert the text to Smart Object. Change its blending mode to dissolve. Now make a mask out of it and press Ctrl or Command I to invert it. Take the soft round brush tool. Paint on the text to reveal it. Don't paint on overall text. You can toggle between the brush by pressing X to create your desired effect. Now make a copy of your layer by pressing Ctrl or Command J and then go to Filter, Blur and Gaussian Blur. Here, change the value to around 35 or 37 and hit OK. Click on the mask and press Ctrl or Command I to invert it. Now again with the soft round brush and white as the foreground color, paint on some of the areas. You can experiment with it as per your choice, and when you feel satisfied, you can stop doing it. If you find this video helpful, do like it and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.